I got my favorite muumuu on. Y'all should already know I'm in business. Everybody want to talk about the holiday season. Everybody want to talk about cuffing season. Everybody want to talk about Valentine's Day season. But why we not talking about what season it really is? Baby, it's soak press season. I've been procrastinating doing my hair for so long now. Who be feeling like dealing with this for real? Like, I really don't have the patience to deal with my hair most days. But I also told myself I want to start pushing out more hair content. I know a few of y'all found my channel off of my hair videos. This is a beauty channel at the end of the day. As much as I love making my little vlogs, so I did tell myself I'm gonna start making more hair videos. I know the natural girlies could always use some hair info, me included. So we getting into it. I feel like the main difference between a silk press and literally whatever other hairstyle you would want to do with your natural hair is learning the difference between your lightweight products and your heavyweight products. Because if you're using the same products that you would use on your hair for like a twist out or a braid out, baby, that silk press is not gonna give silk, it's gonna give stiff, because your hair is weighed down by all those products. You want to leave all the heavy butters and creams alone. Put that back and save it for your twist out. The products I'm going to be using today is this Infa Silk Fusion Reconstructing Complex, as well as this leave-in conditioner and detangler. I really want to point out that my leave-in conditioner is a liquid. I'm not going to use a solid heavy cream on my hair. I want something that's lightweight, mostly water. And last but not least, this DNA Argon oil hair serum with like barely any left, but it'll be just enough. I'm back and forth on whether you want to use oil in your hair for a silk press or not. I think most oils really won't keep your hair as silky as you want it to when you straighten it. I really think you just got to know the products you're using. Ooh, that was a lot. You really just got to know the products you're using and how it affects your hair. I also washed my hair with Taraji B. Henson's shampoo and conditioner line. I'll probably just insert that little clip now.
Heartbeat the fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. Love yours. No such thing.
I also use a thermal protective treatment after the conditioner, and I basically use that as like a hair mask. I rinsed it out, and I'm following up with the products you guys are seeing me use now.
Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your level, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga. It's beauty in the struggle, nigga. It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga don't be trying. So tell me, mama, please, why you be drinking all the time? Cause all the pain he brought you still linger in your mind. Cause pain still lingers on mine. On the road to riches, listen, this is what you find. The good news is, nigga, you came a long way. The bad news is, nigga, you went the wrong way. Being broke was better, life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Think being broke was better, life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. For what's money without happiness? Or hard times without the people you love? Though I'm not sure what's about to happen next. I ask for strength from the Lord up above. Cause I've been strong so far, but I can feel my grip loosening. Quick, do something before you lose it for good. Get it back and use it for good. And touch the people how you did like before. I'm tired of living with demons cause they always inviting more. Think being broke was better. Now I don't mean that phrase with no disrespect to all my niggas out there living in debt. Cashing minimal checks. Turn on the TV, see a nigga Rolex. And fantasize about a life with no stress. I mean this shit sincerely. And as a nigga who was once in your...
And if you're one of those girls that can get your hair silk pressed straight with just the blow dryer, and you got 4 type hair, how does it feel to be superior? Setting my flat iron to 410 degrees. I feel like that's the perfect sweet spot to get your hair straight. The next thing I want to know is you girls that can chase the flat iron with your rat tail comb. Y'all are talented. Cause I can try. Y'all can watch me try. But that's so hard. Let me see.
Love yours. No such thing.
Okay.
No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing.
And that wasn't, and those weren't even really like a smooth pass. Like, I'm just not even. I definitely always say try to go by once, but trying to chase it with the comb messed up me having a smooth pass.
Beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga don't be trying. So tell me, mama, please, why you be drinking all the time? Cause all the pain you brought.
Definitely don't go no more than twice. Try to aim for one pass.
Still lingers on mine. On the road to riches, listen, this is what you find. The good news is, nigga, you came a long way. The bad news is, nigga, you went the wrong way.
See that? That's a one passer. That smooth, clean, real slow pass through with the iron. That's how you know you don't need to go back and do it that second time.
Though I'm not sure what's about to happen next. I ask for strength from the Lord up above. Cause I've been strong so far, but I can feel my grip loosening. Quick, do something before you lose it.
Clean.
Get it back and use it for good. And touch the people how you did like before. I'm tired of living with demons cause they always inviting more. Think being broke was better. Now I don't mean that phrase with no disrespect to all my niggas out there living in debt. Cashing minimal checks. Turn on the TV, see a nigga Rolex. And fantasize about a life with no stress. I mean this shit sincerely. And as a nigga who was once in your shoes, living with nothing to lose, I hope one day you hear me. Always gonna be a bigger house somewhere, but nigga feel me. Long as the people in that motherfucker love you dearly. Always gonna be a whip that's better than the one you got. Always gonna be some clothes that's fresher than the ones you rock. Always gonna be a bitch that's better out there on the tours. But you ain't never gonna be happy till you love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love no such thing, no such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love no such thing, no such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your level, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga. It's beauty in the struggle, nigga. It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga don't be trying. So tell me, mama, please, why you be drinking all the time? Cause all the pain he brought you still linger in your mind. Cause pain still lingers on mine. On the road to riches, listen, this is what you find. The good news is, nigga, you came a long way. The bad news is, nigga, you went the wrong way. Being broke is better. Life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Think being broke is better. Life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. For what's money without happiness? A hard time.
I know y'all see the bump. My ends are freshly trimmed. And so I just bumped the ends. Man, it's no better feeling than a fresh trim. It's really not. Like, when I tell y'all, I feel like my New Year's is just starting. Like, new year, new hair. It's really New Year's. I'm feeling myself right now. I'm really happy I took the time to do my hair today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't be fake. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below for more hair videos. I got y'all with all the hair inspo this year. Like, that's really my New Year's goal, is to make more hair videos. And my hair is just so full and healthy. I'm really happy I took the time to do my hair. If this is your sign that you need to get up and do your hair, then baby girl, get up and do your hair. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.
Love yours.